meeting up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Welcome, dear students. Today, in the writing skills session, we are going to learn how to write an informal letter. We'll actually write an informal letter. We already have learned the format for writing an informal letter. We'll know few topics for informal letter which are frequently asked: inviting a friend or relative, advising a friend, brother or sister or cousin, apologizing to a friend, relative, or family member, thanking a friend, relative for spending holiday together, reminding a friend or brother or sister or cousin, congratulating a friend, relative, or family member, requesting for help, or admitting a mistake. So these are few topics which are frequently asked for informal letter. Also, we'll know how to write a letter with the help of few examples of opening sentence and closing sentence. Oftenly we get stuck as to when we have to start writing a letter and also when we have to end the letter. And that is how the time is wasted. So here are few examples, students. Opening sentences examples. I hope you find or get or receive this letter in the pink of your health. That is the opening sentence for first paragraph of informal letter. Another example, how have you been? And then you continue, I'm pretty sure of you being hale and hearty. Another example, how is life treating you? I hope you're doing well. And next, I hope you, uncle and aunt, having a great time there. Now we'll see the examples of closing sentence. That is the last paragraph or last lines of the last paragraph. I am looking forward to seeing you. You can also write, I can't wait to see you soon. Another example, I am looking forward to hearing from you soon. Or you can also write, see you soon. You can add from yourself as it has already been mentioned previously that it depends upon you. You can make use of your imagination. Also, you can make use of how you converse or you communicate in real. So that is how you can add more from yourself. Now, this is the question for model informal letter. The question is, you are Rima or Robin. Write a letter to your friend Maria appreciating her book that she wrote. This is how the question is asked. You can select any of one of the names, either Rima or Robin. So we'll start with the first step, that is the writer's address. in 3 commas and 1 full stop without leaving a line in between to the left side corner of the page. And this is how it is written. Then comes the date, that is written according to the format salutation or greeting. Keep in mind, students, when you get the question or the topic for writing the letter, you read it twice. Understand what is there in the question. You have to write the letter to your friend, and the name of that friend is mentioned in the letter. So you have to write the same name. The first paragraph, then you have to leave a line as you start with the next paragraph, and then the third paragraph. Subscription, and before that you have to add the ending line, convey my regards to whoever you want to, and then add one more line, whatever you feel like writing or adding, and then the subscription, yours lovingly, comma, and your name. Now we'll have the practice letter, practice informal letter for practicing. So this is the question. You are Akriti or Anubhav. Write a letter to your grandfather in another city asking him to take proper care of health during COVID-19 pandemic. Consider the following points in your letter. Washing hands frequently, avoiding going out and meeting people, ensuring proper nutrition, meditation, monitoring health regularly, talking to family members. So these are the points, students. Sometimes few points are added to the question, and when you attempt or write the letter or attempt the question, you keep in mind to include those points in your letter. That is mandatory. Thank you, dear students. Stay home and stay safe.